can hold it.
Pretty sure you picked me up before.
I feel like you made a noise. That's what broke it.
Oh,
Yeah! It's not as strong!
my turn! Hey there, everybody. So it is the day before Thanksgiving, and we are home. So we are at my parents' Eloise is excited too. We are at my parents' house, and we are just hanging out, getting ready for the holidays. And my sister and I are actually going to go to my dad's workshop and do some woodworking this morning. So Gavri and Eloise are going to stay with their aunts and uncles and play, so that we can hopefully make some toys for Christmas.
Oh, there we go.
There it is! Good boy! He loves his Aunt Izza. We are on our way to go woodworking, and it is cold and wet and rainy and yucky outside, but we will be indoors, luckily. So let's get some woodworking done. We're here! I'm super excited. My dad has just about everything that you could possibly need, but I think that this is what I'm gonna be using the most today to get all my little animals cut out. And he's letting me just grab any wood that I want or need from his pile, so that's really nice. But it's definitely a wood workshop. This is what it starts out as. I just trace them, and then I cut them out. So far I've got a couple little bunnies, and a baby squirrel, a mommy squirrel, and another bunny. The bunnies breed like rabbits, I tell ya. We made quite good progress today. I got quite a few animals cut out and some other things drawn out so that I can cut them. So that's good. And Emily got a good start on her project. She's going to be making some little stools. Yeah, stool benches that have storage in them for her house. So she made some good progress on that, but we got the phone call saying that Gavri was not a happy boy. Answered the phone, I could hear him screaming immediately, so we're heading back to go take care of some babies. The good news is everything in this town is super close because it's a tiny town, so it's literally like a 2-minute drive, so Gavri won't be waiting long. Eloise Rose, what are you doing?
Say drying.
Are you mopping and drying the floors with Aunt Olivia?
Ready? Now we stand up. Ready?
Good job.
Ready?
Work hard. So I get here and Philip goes, he fell asleep. So I think we're gonna go back for another half hour. As soon as we get in the car, he'll wake up. But it's worth the risk. He is passed out. Oh, he heard my voice. That's alright. He's just getting comfy. heading back, part 2. We're done for the day. I am so excited with how much progress I made. I can't wait to lay everything out and take a look at what all I got done. Now I need to start the hard part. The sanding, the finishing, painting, sealing, all that fun stuff. But we got things cut out, and that's a great start.
Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Ah, there's a good smile. He's got a full belly. And he's happy that Mom's back. Yeah, are you so happy? And Aunt Emily was talking to you? Yeah, are you gonna say something?
I think this needs to be out overnight.
That was cute. That was cute. He said something. He said something.
You eating some yummy chili? Is that delicious chili? Yummy. Oh, more corn chips for your chili.
A lot of corn chips.
Whoa. It's about as much corn chips as chili.
Yeah, that was before
Look at the
phones.
big smile. Yeah.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Yeah.
That was so cute. Are you ready to go see your other grandma and grandpa?
Yeah, I just,
Yep, and you've got your coat in your lap.
yeah, Miss Smith.
Okay, let's go.
We just know I drive.
You're not gonna drive.
Ah.
So we are on our way to Jesse's parents' house now because we've spent the morning at my parents' house, and Jesse's family sleeps in a lot later because Jesse's dad worked nights for a long time, and now Jesse's twin brother is working nights, and so their schedules are all messed up and different from ours. So we spend the mornings at my family's house, and then we spend the afternoons and evenings at Jesse's parents' house. Until bedtime, of course, and then we sleep at my family's house. But it just works out good that way so we can see people at both houses, and then I'm not sitting at Jesse's parents' house with the kids with no one awake. So that's really nice to get to spend some time with my family while his family is still sleeping. So we're gonna head over there now. And like everything else in town, it's a 2-minute drive from my parents' house to Jesse's parents' house. So that works out real slick.
Oh! She knows it. She knows it.
Let's go.
Well, don't go there.
I don't think it goes on your chin.
I don't think it goes there. I think it goes. Oh, I don't know. It could fit there. Oh, here. Go like this. No, I don't think it's the right size.
Oh, it doesn't fit?
No.
Oh man. Maybe it fits on Gavry's chin.
Oh, does it fit on Gabby's chin?
Let's check.
No.
Too big.
Nope.
Oh well,
Too
it
big.
must go in the puzzle then. Oh, are you combing your eyebrows?
Yeah, I make up on.
Oh, you're putting makeup on with the spoons. That's hilarious.
And then that's for us to eat with.
Oh, great. Yeah. Are we gonna eat with those spoons, forks? You are something else, Eloise. Next
Thank you.
one. Huh. You're breaking them all in.
Thank you. Thank you.
See, that's not how Mommy does makeup.
How does Mommy do it?
She looks shocked. What? Don't mind me. You're just being cute with your grandson.
Let's cook it. Oh, there we go. We're cooking now. We're cooking now. Cook it.
Let's eat.
Oh. Whoa, she wants to cook some more, Uncle Jared. Cook it.
Crazy.
Pepper, ready?
You got something good in there.
You're welcome.
Wash.
That'd be great.
Right in the toilet. Go get it, Pepper. Go
It's silly
get
goose.
it.
I'll go get it.
Good job, Uncle Jared.
More like a frog than a dog. Ready, Ellie, ready for the vlog. Oh, see, that's called a distraction. That's called a distraction.
She's gonna give that one.
Yeah, she threw the Pokeball, so Pepper got distracted.
She's copying you, Jared.
Oh, there you go. Good girl.
That's so
Good girl. Yeah. Just like this.
Daddy. Get ready, Daddy.
That is not Daddy, just so we're clear. Ready?
Oh, gee.
You opened it. You made a basketball hoop.
Like this. Oh, no. I'm over there, Jared.
So we are back at my parents' house. Eloise is in bed and we are getting ready to start the night with some games and some fun, and there's just a lot of people here. My house is very different from Jesse's house. Both get loud, but mine just, there's a lot more people and a lot more voices to be heard. So there's never a dull moment going on. So let's play some games and have some fun.
How? I can hold
Pretty
something.
sure you picked me up before.
I feel like
You made a noise. That's what broke it.
Oh!
Yeah! It's not as strong!
My turn.
Whee! Rockabye, Kayla!
I am but a child in your arms.
I'm but a child. I'm Gary.
I mean, in comparison.
I knew you were strong, dude.
It is way too late. It is after 11 o'clock already. We played code names till about right now. So I need to get to bed. Gavri is needing to be fed so that he can go to bed. Eloise is still sleeping soundly. So that's a bonus. But it has been a good day. We've had lots of fun, lots of games, and I'm so excited about all the progress I made with woodworking. So it's been a successful day. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe.